I thought we'd do a recap here on the up and coming projects. This one I'll get to pretty shortly. I'm gonna make it a 4-seater, like I said. It's gonna have a stroker, small block Chevy motor in it. Maybe eventually a big block, but I noticed the little projects go faster on the builds because there's not as much safety involved. Something like this that's gonna have 4 people in it and make 400 or 500 horse tends to take a little more money and time due to torque and power and needing to stop everything. But I've been getting a bunch of really good deals on some projects that I really don't need at this moment. But coming soon. I got a Yamaha golf cart. Somebody already started. I think it's a 2007. It's got the newer front end on it. It's got a 2008 or 9 Grizzly 700 EFI 4x4 quad chassis suspension driveline underneath of it. So we're gonna build a 4-wheel drive Yamaha golf cart. I'm gonna bring it a little bit lower. Hey buddy. Bring it a little bit lower to the ground. Eventually it'll get nice wheels and tires. I'm gonna do 2 bucket seats with harnesses. I'm gonna build a back seat for it so I can have 4 people on it. Hide all the wiring. Steering, I want a golf cart top for it. But the potential's here. And I mean, I didn't pay much for it. I'm not even gonna say because nobody will believe me. So later today, I'll get some pictures or footage airing the tires up. I'm gonna wash it. I'm pretty sure all that black shit will come off there and it'll be clean again. But I need to get through some work around here so I can get to these projects. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks. Border Patrol. We're gonna put Gatlin 50s on it. So it wraps around the front, barely clears this hood, probably melts some shit because it is tight. Comes down here, behind the wheel, elbows, and this is a glass pack. They got little holes in it, kind of how the muffler or cans work on the aftermarket ones. And one, I thought this one looked badass because it's 10 or 12 inches and it's just this little cool red turnout coming out of the underneath of the engine compartment. But I just wanted to get a quick video of it running because it sounds fucking badass. I mean, freaking awesome. I mean, probably a death trap. And it's not like you can say, put a seatbelt in it. You don't want to be strapped to this thing when it goes out. feel the concrete shake. That thing's fucking sweet. So I need to fix the hood because I did not like the expansion chamber coming out the front grille and wrapping around it. Yeah, you could tell there was something big in there, but it just, I know the plate looks cheap, but it looked half-assed and cobbled up. Pop the hood. I did get it cut and fabricated. And under the factory hood, well, minus the hood scoop I cut, but I think that looks actually finally ran out of gas.